Hi, I'm Valerie D'Souza, and I loved my time at Emmanuel College. In classes, worship services, community lunches, and hallway banter, I experimented and grew my voice. I took off societal masks and courageously presented my creative, authentic self. The faculty, TAs, staff, and especially you, my fellow students, you challenged and supported and encouraged me. I'm taking all of you with me as I leave Emmanuel College to be wholly me, colorfully in the world.
I will always have fond memories of my time at Emmanuel College. The two main treasures that I'll leave with are the knowledge gained and the many new friendships made here. It was 3 enjoyable years of learning that sustained my enthusiasm from the initial opening house until my final class.
Thank you, Emmanuel, for giving me the space to grow, self reflect, and challenge myself. During my time at Emmanuel, I've made lifelong friendships, met exceptional professors, and gained invaluable experiences during my time at Scarborough Health Network, where I've completed my 2 clinicals.
Connection, growth, community. Well, I'm honored to be part of the Emmanuel College family and treasure every opportunity to engage fellow students, staff, and faculty. My life has been changed by this place, and now I hope to employ that change as I live my faith in Call to the World.
Hi, my name is Adrian Balsos, and after graduation, my plans are all related to serve God's church as pastor and preacher. Right now, I'm serving New Hope Reformed Church in Mississauga, and I intend to keep working this church for a long time.
Taking out with me from this program is a group of human gems, my classmates, my colleagues, that brought all of themselves to the learning process with openness, with vulnerability, with willingness to challenge and affirm each other and grow together. They are now friends, and I will always hope for them to be part of my life.
I'm Jennifer Bell, MTS 2021. I've been studying at Emmanuel part-time for many years. I'm a sound therapist in Ottawa now. And I'm so grateful to have been part of the story of this place and the rich tapestry of faithful creativity, reflection, and learning that is this warm community. Shalom.
While at Emmanuel College, I presented papers at 3 conferences, 1 in the US and 2 in Canada. In each case, the topic grew out of ideas that came up in coursework. And in each case, the topic was something I never would have considered before my time at Emmanuel, which made me a better scholar and a better musician.
The most transformative experience I had at Emmanuel College was visiting the residential school not far from Toronto. It was a very moving experience that transformed my perspective on a very old story.
As a part of my contextual education at Emmanuel, I was able to do an internship at U of T's Multi-Faith Center, where I hosted an interfaith spiritual retreat. I really felt a strong sense of call both in designing and hosting the retreat, as though I was standing right in the center of my vocation. Very grateful for that opportunity.
I appreciated my placements at Scarborough Health Network, as they involved the opportunity to be part of an integrated team at an acute care hospital. The opportunity to use theory and action with care, compassion, a little bit of good humor was a great learning experience. Thanks to Emmanuel for the opportunity.
20 seconds is a very short time, but memories are many. Tawanda, I thank you for remembering my name on our second encounter at the office. And to everyone that I engaged with thereafter, who was as present and gracious, I thank you. Peace.
Hi everyone, Maggie Ma from MPS Christian Stream. I am happy and grateful I'm graduating this year with my fellow students, and we had a very exciting, fun journey in terms of learning in our placement. Hope you will have fun as well.
One thing that I've certainly been taking from Emmanuel College into my vocation is the camaraderie within this community. I really appreciated being on the worship team and getting the opportunity to collaborate with other worship leaders. This collaboration carries through at Leaside United, where our minister and I work so collaboratively. Thank you, Emmanuel, for the wonderful 3 years.
Hello, Emmanuel College folks. especially the graduates of 2020 and 2021. I've been missing all of you terribly, meeting up with you unexpectedly in the hallways or at Ned's or waving at you from across the library. And speaking of which, Karen, I promise I'll return all of my library books from last year very soon. They've been keeping me good company during the lockdown. Take good care, everyone, and I hope to see you soon.
I want to say thank you all at Emmanuel College. I was so pleased to share my professional goals with my professors, colleagues, and staff in a safe space where multi-faith and diversity are so welcome. As a military chaplain, I am coming back to my units, ready to help my brothers and sisters in arms. Thank you so much to all of you. You will be always in my heart.
Emmanuel College wasn't just a building where I learned things, it was a community that challenged me to be the best version of myself and continues to inspire me to put good out into the world.
I really liked all my classes at Emmanuel, but I particularly enjoyed my Old Testament 1 class. Professor Newman insisted that we memorize the Song of Miriam in Hebrew, and I can still recall it. Shiru ladonai, ki ga'oga'a, susfarofo, rama vayam. So thanks, Judith. I'll be taking that with me wherever I go.
People go to school as classmates and after graduation, that is all. But at Emmanuel College, we supported each other throughout our studies. We were like family in school. And even after graduation, we are still family. Regardless the differences in our gender, race, culture, sexuality, color, and status. As the new creed says, we are not alone. At Emmanuel, we were never alone.
Evan, one of the things I've appreciated at Emmanuel in this last year was my study group that met once a week with Krista and Laura and Aiden as part of Professor Nestor's Christian ethics class. It was an hour of sanity in the midst of these crazy times.
One of the greatest things I've brought from Emmanuel into my supervised ministry education and into this year of pandemic has been the diversity and richness of the community, the wealth of resources and insights and the different vocations that I've been able to draw upon for my own spiritual well-being, while also being able to introduce them to the congregations who might not have been exposed to them otherwise. It's been great.
A round of thanks to all for a wonderful learning experience, much self-development, much self-reflection, a much smarter person on the other side of meeting all of you, learning from brilliant professors, and being part of an outstanding community.
It's been an amazing 3 years, an incredible journey. I'm grateful to all my professors. Glenn McCullough, thank you so much for your instruction and for inspiring us all to explore our dreams.
Hello, my name is David Montealegre. I'm happy because I'm graduating from the Master in Theology, in Economics and Theology. Emmanuel has helped me to develop my professional, academic, and personal skills. I'm entering in first year's PhD. I'm happy to continue being part of this family in Emmanuel.
Hello, I was in the Emmanuel College Student Society as an extracurricular activity, a great way to be in community with peers and staff. I gained friendships, cultural awareness, and collaboration skills, and we initiated, promoted, and did activities and services addressing student social and academic needs and concerns. I was on ECSS while a full-time master's and highly recommend it.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, this is Sadaf. My heartfelt congratulations to all the grads. Thank you Emmanuel College and everyone for being part of this enlightening MPS journey, which gave me the greatest gift of self-awareness. So grateful for this divine intervention. I wish you all the best as you move forward in life. Peace be upon you all.
Serving on ECSS was probably one of the best things that I did during my time at Emmanuel. I got to gain some amazing leadership skills, some great problem-solving skills that will definitely benefit my ministry going forward. I also got to meet amazing colleagues and spend some great time at Cafe Noel with everybody's wonderful talents, and at Emmanuel Annual meeting everybody's families and loved ones. I will not forget my time at Emmanuel, and I miss you and I love you all.